In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts in Smartsheet. Managing your contacts properly in Smartsheet makes it much easier to assign tasks, share sheets, and collaborate with your team. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get to your contact settings so you can review, organize, and maintain the people you work with most often. First, start by opening Smartsheet and making sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Smartsheet screen, look toward the lower left corner of the interface. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might appear as your initials, your profile picture, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a small menu will pop up. This menu gives you access to a few personal settings and tools related to your account. What we're looking for here is the option labeled My Smartsheet Contacts. This is the dedicated area where Smartsheet stores and manages your personal list of contacts, separate from any sheet-specific collaborators. Now, click on My Smartsheet Contacts. This will open a new window or panel that displays your contact list. Here, you'll see the people you frequently work with, including their names and email addresses. From this area, you can review existing contacts, confirm that their information is correct, and make sure you recognize everyone on the list. Once you're in your contacts, you can start using this space to keep things organized. For example, if you notice any outdated entries, maybe from someone who no longer works on your projects, you can remove or update them. If you're planning to collaborate with new teammates or external partners, this is where you would add them so they're easy to find when assigning tasks or sharing sheets later. It's a good habit to check your Smartsheet contacts regularly, especially if you work on many different projects. Keeping this list clean and current helps prevent mistakes, like sending notifications to the wrong person, and makes your day-to-day workflow smoother. Think of it as your personal address book inside Smartsheet. Designed specifically to support collaboration and project management. By knowing how to access and manage My Smartsheet contacts from your profile icon, you're setting yourself up for more efficient communication and better organized projects across your entire Smartsheet workspace.